Today on AFOL TV. It's my birthday week. Girlfriend got me some Legos. Let's see what's inside. All right, guys, as mentioned in the opening, this is my birthday week. My girlfriend showed up with some awesome Lego gifts. Let's dump it out and see what you got. All right, looks like a pretty good haul. Let's get these organized so we can see exactly what we got. For her first Lego haul at Walmart, not bad. I'm gonna run through these guys so you can see exactly what we got. Next up is set number 75939, the Jurassic Park lab. Next we have set number 60213, Dockside Fire. All right, a Star Wars set number 75265. And next we have what I think is my personal favorite of the bunch so far, set number 60214, the Burger Bar and Fire Rescue. This one out, we got a diving yacht, set number 60221. And you can't have a diving yacht without the Coast Guard. So she also picked up set number 60164. And the Snow Groomer, set number 60222. I've always wanted this one. The treads interest me. She also snagged one of the Creator 3-in-1 sets, set number 31078. 260 total pieces. And lastly, as a little added bonus, she picked up a Speed Champions kind of pocket set, set number 30342. All right, guys, so I think it'd be really fun to have her try building one. Looking at all of these, this one, I think she'll enjoy it. And we're done. Well, kind of done. I had to help her through the way, as you probably saw. I would give her a 6 out of 10, this being one of her first time, actually making it through a full set. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Curious to hear your thoughts. And thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow with another build tutorial.